Damn, whoa. This is just an excuse to slap your ass.
Oh. Why do you want to slap?
I'm not gay though.
What's up, guys? Welcome to a brand new video. This video is gonna be a Q&A.
Dirt all over me.
Abandoned construction site. I got Holden. We're just continuing from the last video.
I have dirt all over me from the last video.
That's great.
It's gonna fall over. Okay, wait, let me just sit you down.
Hold this. Get this. Okay, let go. Bro, that hurts.
Well, yeah. Damn, whoa. This is just an excuse to slap your ass.
Why do you want to slap my ass?
I'm not gay though.
This guy over here. Okay, guys, let's just get right into this Q&A. First question, what's your favorite color? My favorite color is green because it represents money. Oh yeah, you could just tell. And yeah, so that's question one. I'm just doing like 3 or 4 questions. It's gonna be really simple.
Yeah.
Alright, next question. Why don't you post YouTube videos anymore?
Well, we just made like 8 videos right now,
Yeah,
so.
Yeah.
Wait, who sent that? We're gonna beat him up. I mean, we're gonna talk to him.
Jit said it.
Jit? It's okay.
Yeah.
We know where to leave.
Next. By the way, there's no questions. I'm just literally.
Oh, you just.
Explicit. Okay. What is?
Oh shoot! I think it's sprinkling.
Why is Holden such a bad cameraman?
Wait. Actually, I think it's sprinkling.
Who cares?
Okay, I just want to sprinkle. Okay, whatever. It's
Why is
fine.
Holden such a bad cameraman?
I'm high. It's okay. I'm sorry.
Oh, that's fine. Okay, well, Holden answered it.
Okay, yeah.
People. Why did you fire your editor?
Oh, cause he's too addicted to Destiny.
He's just, yeah, you know, he never comes, he never does what he's supposed
Well,
to
yeah.
do.
Touch AF canceled.
Yeah.
Touch as canceled? What does that mean? Touch AF canceled?
Well, yeah, I guess that's all the questions. Okay, well, guys, Holden's gonna push me up this hill. Wait, what?
You're heavy. We need momentum.
No. What do you mean you need to? No. I'm in this barrel that's filming.
Damn. Either I'm really weak or you're really heavy.
I'm heavy. What if?
Okay, yeah.
You were able to do it without me.
Cause I got that muscle.
Okay. Thank you guys for watching.
Wait, what? That was the whole video?
I know. Well, no, it's everything else.
Bro, this guy's trying to get autographs. No autographs for you. Bro, he tried to get autographs.
Bro, yeah, no autographs,
No
man.
autographs.
No autograph.
But with this,
No.
hey, bro, whatever to keep you safe, you know what I'm saying? Nah, you can't have autographs, man. You see what I did to the last person?
Don't hit me.
Oh, shoot, I missed. No autographs.
Let's put this back.
Okay. I won't hit you, man.
Yeah. And you would have been sued if you did.
It just like cuts through it like it's nothing. What about the other side? Okay, maybe not. Yeah, I'm just gonna put it back.
Do you think we can get sued for this?
Yeah, I think we should leave now.
Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Please like, subscribe, share, anything else. See you guys in the next video. Peace.
Is a problem, ain't nobody trying to save you. Baby, get that baby.